Innocent bishobora omwe ombashaho ababire bebembire okuragura okuchondoza hamwe no kuhabura nagira ngo okuchondoza okukozwe bashangire ngu abingi benyigire amarwa hamwe n'ebitekoza bwongo ekiri kurugiriraho kushanga amagara gaabo gaza rutezo.
They should go for early medical examinations. Bachendeze tokoza obwo bintu harajiyo bo amarwa okubasigara affecting amagara. So when they come for early medical examinations, they are helped to seek medical advices as fast as possible. Nibanywa, amagara, so if you don't actually mind about your life, nobody else comes and care about your life. It's upon you to take care of your life before anybody takes about. Because
ngwene kinkugezaho kumanyisa community yitu ya Bwongo na Sheema hamwe n'iyangariona no kugira ngo abantu twenyigire umukucebeza ekitweta are medical check-ups. Omuntu oije oyekebeze kare not necessary pressure masa kuchecking sankashukari n'endwara ezindi haza kikuyambe kumanya amagara go kubotwire eiza uryo murwire ningashi toru murwire nashi amagara go ine safe.
Kenneth Evans omwe omba AMG ari kugambaho no munyamakuru witu yagira ngo nikirungi kubanya no kwerinda embera y'abantu bari kuraba mungu kandi nikikwatari buri muntu weno ari kwebasa okugezaho akakwatiraho ahari yabo abari ombwetago.
Yeah, I just want to say I do appreciate the opportunity to come to Uganda. I love the people of Uganda. I love the kindness and compassion with which they've received us and allowed our team to be here. I obviously appreciate the Ugandan government and the officials here who allow us to serve in Uganda and care for the people and love the people as well.
Friend, tell me about it, because she has been here 5 times. This is her 6th, and so she was so excited and she loved the people so much and couldn't wait to get back to the people. So I'm just so thankful that your government lets us come here and do this. I think my favorite part of the Ugandan people is their smiles and their caring for us. So really, as we've come to help, they have offered me so much and so much love and caring.
Generous Keranji omwe ombatungire obwezi ari kwera aba AMG nagira government eshemerire kureba ngo amani yagateka kwikiriza abantu nkabo empabuhwezi okweyongera kwija omwihanga.
Shaba ngwegumeterezo buyambi omukureta ababantu takabazubira abani bizo mu Uganda abo kuba batuyambire munonga abo kuba umwana kubatarize tinkumbasize kumurondera fees.
Amakuru aga gasha kwa Gerard Tugume omuri Sheema.